Have you ever gotten a call out of the blue, promising free medical equipment or a miracle cure? It sounds great, but wait a second. Scammers are getting smarter, and they're targeting our beloved seniors with health-related schemes that can be devastating. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on these scams. This isn't just a video, it's a shield to protect you and the people you care about most. Let's make sure our golden years are truly golden, safe from those who want to exploit our trust. Imagine your phone rings. The person on the other end sounds so friendly, so official. They say they're from Medicare or maybe a company working with them. They tell you that you're eligible for a free back brace, a new wheelchair, or genetic testing to predict future illnesses. All they need is your Medicare number to confirm your eligibility. It feels so real, so helpful. But this is exactly how they get you. This is one of the most common and dangerous health scams out there today. The unsolicited offer. Let's break down why this is so tricky. First, the scammers create a sense of urgency. They might say the offer is for a limited time only, or that your benefits will expire if you don't act now. This pressure makes it hard to think clearly. Second, they prey on our natural desire to be healthy and prepared. The idea of getting something free that could improve our quality of life is incredibly appealing. They might even use official-sounding names or mention recent health news to sound more legitimate. They'll say things like, well, with the new government program you qualify for, or your doctor recommended this for you. It's all designed to make you lower your guard. But here's the absolute most important thing to remember. Medicare, the Social Security Administration, or any legitimate government agency will almost never call you out of the blue to ask for your personal information. They won't call you to sell you anything. If you didn't initiate the contact, you should immediately be suspicious. Your Medicare number is like a key to your financial and medical life. In the wrong hands, it can be used for fraudulent billing, where scammers charge Medicare for services or equipment you never received. This not only costs taxpayers billions, but can also mess up your own medical records and benefits down the line. So what's the first line of defense? It's simple. Verify, verify, verify. Before you do anything else, hang up the phone. Don't engage, don't argue, just end the call. The scammer might try to pressure you to stay on the line, but your power lies in hanging up. Now here's the crucial next step. Go directly to the official source. Don't call a number the person on the phone gave you, and don't click on a link they sent in a text or email. Instead, open a new browser window and type in medicare.gov yourself. This is the official U.S. government website for Medicare. You can also call the official Medicare number, which is 1-800-MEDICARE. You can find this number on the back of your Medicare card, so you always have it handy. When you contact them, you can ask, I just received a call about a free back brace. Is this a legitimate offer from you? They will be able to tell you definitively whether the offer is real or a known scam. Think of them as your verification team. They are there to help protect you. This simple step of independently verifying the information is the single most effective way to stop these scammers in their tracks. It takes a few minutes, but it can save you from months or even years of headaches, financial loss, and stress. Let's talk to someone who has seen this firsthand. We're joined by Sarah, a community social worker who has spent over a decade helping seniors navigate these challenges. Sarah, thank you for being here. Can you tell us what you're seeing on the ground? Absolutely. The genetic testing scam is a huge one right now. Scammers will show up at health fairs, community centers, or even go door to door offering a free DNA cheek swab. They claim it can detect your risk for cancer or Alzheimer's. They get your Medicare information, bill Medicare for thousands of dollars for an unnecessary test. And you, the patient, often never even get the results. Or if you do, they're generic and medically useless. We've had clients whose Medicare accounts were flagged for fraud, which caused major problems when they actually needed legitimate medical care. The emotional toll is immense. People feel embarrassed and violated. That's incredibly insightful, Sarah. It shows how these scams are not just about money. They impact real people's health and well-being. So, the rule is, if someone offers you free genetic testing at a community event or at your door, be extremely cautious. Your doctor is the only person who should be ordering these kinds of sophisticated tests based on your specific health needs. Another red flag is the miracle cure scam. You see these online, in magazines, or in late-night TV ads. They promise to cure everything from arthritis to dementia with a special supplement, cream, or device. They often use emotional testimonials, with actors pretending to be real people, saying things like, "I was in a wheelchair and now I'm running marathons thanks to this pill." They'll use scientific-sounding jargon like quantum healing or patented formula to sound credible. Here's the truth. If a cure for a major disease like Alzheimer's or cancer existed in a simple pill sold online, it would be the biggest news story in the world. Your doctor would already know about it. These claims are designed to give false hope and drain your bank account. Always, always, always talk to your doctor or pharmacist before starting any new supplement or treatment, especially if you found it through an unsolicited ad. They can tell you if it's safe, if it will interact with your current medications, and if there's any real science behind it. Don't let desperation or hope cloud your judgment. Stick with trusted medical professionals. Let's also touch on prescription drug scams. Scammers might set up fake online pharmacies that offer prescription drugs at deep discounts, often without a prescription. This is incredibly dangerous. The pills you receive could be fake, expired, or the wrong dosage. They might contain no active ingredients, or worse, they could contain harmful substances. You're not just risking your money, you're risking your life. A legitimate online pharmacy will always require a valid prescription from your doctor. It will have a physical address and phone number in the United States, and it will be licensed by a state board of pharmacy. A good way to check is to look for a pharmacy ending in the website's address, which indicates it's verified by the National Association of Boards of Pharmacy. If a website seems shady, or the deal seems too good to be true, it almost certainly is. Don't gamble with your health. So let's recap our defense strategy. 1. Be immediately suspicious of any unsolicited calls, texts, or emails offering free medical products or services. 2. Never give your Medicare number or other personal information to anyone you didn't contact first. 3. Hang up and verify any offer by going directly to medicare.gov or calling 1-800-MEDICARE. 4. Always consult your doctor before trying any new treatment or supplement, especially miracle cures. And 5. Only use legitimate verified pharmacies for your prescriptions. Sharing this knowledge is our best defense. Talk about this with your friends at the community center, with your family, with your neighbors. The more people who know about these tactics, the less power the scammers have. You are not alone in this. There are resources to help. If you suspect you've been a victim of a scam, you should report it to the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, and the Senior Medicare Patrol. Reporting helps authorities track these scammers down and prevent them from harming others. We have a responsibility to look out for one another. Our seniors have spent their lives building our communities, and they deserve to live with dignity and security. Protecting them from these predatory scams is a job for all of us. Thank you so much for watching and for taking this step to become more informed and empowered. Your safety is what matters most. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone you love. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more essential guides to help you live a safe and healthy life. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.